Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to hide songs on Spotify. Spotify does not allow you to permanently hide songs, but you can remove or skip tracks from playlists. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Spotify app on your phone. From the home page after logging in, go ahead and tap on the playlist or album that contains the song you want to hide. I'm just gonna open up my playlist over here. After you open up your playlist, go ahead and tap on the three dots right next to the song you want to hide from your playlist. After tapping the three dots, in the pop-up, click on Remove from this playlist button. Now, this will remove the song from the playlist, but it will not delete it from your library. If you want to hide the music outside of your playlist, simply go ahead and select one of the songs and tap the three dots right next to it, and you will see the Hide Song button. Tap on that, and the song will be hidden from your Spotify. While you cannot permanently add songs from your library, you can easily remove them from a playlist and skip unwanted tracks by hiding them. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Apps Academy for more Spotify tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.